This week in AI has been absolutely insane. OpenAI just dropped 2 massive models. Anthropic fired back at OpenAI with their latest model Opus 4.6. We have an AI dating coach from Tinder, a hive mind for robots, and a tool that generates 30-second long video. Amazon is spending a huge $200 billion on AI and robotics. Google Gemini now has 750 million users and a massive new budget to compete against OpenAI. We also have a new open source model that can generate multiple camera angles from a single video, a new king of AI video that crushed every other model. We have new tools, big funding rounds, and a lot more. So let's jump right in. First up, OpenAI just dropped a massive update for developers. It's called GPT-5.3 Codex, and this is not just a slight upgrade. This is a dedicated model built specifically for end-to-end software engineering. Unlike previous models that just give you small code snippets, GPT 5.3 Codex is designed to build entire applications from scratch, understands complex file structures, debugs its own errors, and can even refactor massive legacy codebase in seconds. OpenAI claims this is their most capable coding model ever released, scores near perfect on internal benchmarks, and is designed to work seamlessly with the new Codex Mac app. But when OpenAI dropped their GPT 5.3 Codex just right after 27 minutes, Anthropic released their Opus 4.6. The timing was clearly intentional. According to the official report, Opus 4.6 is now the leader in coding and complex math. It features a massive 2 million token context window, which allows you to upload entire libraries of code or hours of video in a single prompt. But here's the crazy part. They've completely overhauled its native tool use. It is now much faster and more accurate at controlling your computer and executing multi-step tasks without getting confused. Anthropic says this model is designed for the hardest professional tasks. Next up, Amazon dropped a massive number that is shaking up the entire tech world. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy is defending a staggering $200 billion AI spending plan for 2026. That is a huge amount of cash, and it is all going toward AI, robotics, and custom silicon. The data shows exactly why they are moving so fast. AWS growth just hit a 3-year high, and revenue from their own custom chips has already topped $10 billion. But here's the crazy part. Investors are actually rattled by the scale of this spending. Jassy pushed back hard, saying this isn't just some quixotic top-line grab. Instead, he believes this is a once-in-a-lifetime shift toward generative AI. Basically, Amazon is betting everything on the infrastructure of the future. It is a massive move that could change the industry forever. Next up, Sundar Pichai posted on X that the Gemini app has officially crossed over 750 million monthly active users. This is an absolute beast of a growth, proving that people are moving to Gemini at a ridiculous pace. And also, they're expecting to increase their investments to a staggering $185 billion in 2026. This massive budget is going straight into AI infrastructure and model development to fight off competitors like OpenAI. Next up, the AI battle between the giants just got personal. Anthropic openly mocking the idea of putting ads inside ChatGPT. Anthropic launched a brand new campaign called Claude is a Space to Think. First, watch these ads launched by Anthropic.
How do I communicate better with my mom?
Great question. Improved communication with your mom can bring you closer. Here are some techniques you can try. Start by listening. Really hear what she's trying to say underneath her words. Build conversation from points of agreement. Find a connection through shared activity, perhaps a nature walk. Or if the relationship can't be fixed, find emotional connection with other older women on Golden Encounters, the mature dating site that connects sensitive cubs with roaring cougars.
What?
Would you like me to create your profile?
Hey, can I get a 6-pack quickly?
Perfect. That is a clear and achievable goal. Would you like me to tailor a personalized workout plan?
Yes.
Perfect. Let me personalize this for you. Let's start with your age, weight, and height. Whenever you're ready.
5'7", 23 years old, 140 pounds.
Got it. I'll create a plan that focuses on aesthetic strength training. But confidence isn't just built in the gym. Try Step Boost Max, the insoles that add 1 vertical inch of height and help short kings stand tall.
What?
Use code HeightMaxing10 for big discounts.
Anthropic released an official statement saying that your chat should be a peaceful place to focus on work without distractions. This is a clear response to recent reports that OpenAI has started testing ads for non-paying users to help cover their massive costs. But Sam Altman himself responded to Anthropic on X. I put the post link in the description so you can read it, but in short, Sam said that Anthropic's ads are misleading and hypocritical. He claims OpenAI offers free AI access for everyone, supports builders, opposes control, and believes Codex will dominate soon. Next up, this is absolutely wild for the future of robotics. A startup actually named Humanoid just unveiled a single AI brain system designed to run entire fleets of robots at once. Normally, every robot has its own separate brain that handles its own specific movements and tasks, but this new system acts like a central command center. It allows a company to manage a whole group of humanoid robots as one single unit. Think of it like a high-tech hive mind for a factory or a warehouse. According to the report, this makes it much easier and cheaper to scale up robot workforces. Instead of training each unit separately, the central AI brain coordinates the entire fleet to work together perfectly. Next up, NVIDIA released VibeTensor, and here's the crazy part. This entire system was built from start to finish by AI agents, not humans. On February 4th, reports confirmed that NVIDIA researchers used autonomous coding agents to build a full deep learning runtime. This means the AI didn't just write a small script. It programmatically designed the entire engine that other AI models run on. This is a massive shift toward AI building AI. NVIDIA says VibeTensor proves that agents can now handle complex software infrastructure that used to take teams of humans months to finish. Next up, Kling just dropped their latest and best model yet, Kling 3.0. The best part is they are finally breaking the old time limits. We can now generate up to 15 seconds of high-quality video in a single prompt. This gives you full control over every shot and every detail in your story. With the new AI director mode, the model can plan, cut, and edit a full movie scene with multiple shots in just one click. You can use the multi-shot button to let the AI handle transitions or set your own custom angles. But the real game changer is character consistency. Kling used a new element reference tool to lock a person's hair, face, and clothes. You just click Bind Subject, and the character stays exactly the same across every scene. It even features native-level text for readable logos and a sound system that supports code switching, letting characters switch between 2 languages in one sentence. If you want to know more about it, I already made a full dedicated video on Kling 3.0 on my channel. I put the link in my description. Next up, Amazon MGM Studios is rolling out a massive AI plan to speed up how they make TV shows and films. They are testing a new system called a Studio Assistant. This tool can actually take a simple hand-drawn sketch and turn it into a fully rendered background scene in seconds. Usually, this kind of high-end work takes visual effects teams months to finish. Amazon plans to use this tech to streamline their biggest projects, like The Boys. The AI handles everything from background editing to perfectly syncing voices across different languages. Studios head Jennifer Salke says this is about making the creative process faster and more accessible. Next up, Apple just dropped a major update for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. On February 6th, reports confirmed that Apple is officially working to make CarPlay compatible with third-party AI chatbots like ChatGPT. You won't need to pick up your phone or look away from the road. Apple is updating its developer framework to let generative AI apps run natively through the car's interface. This means you can use your voice to ask complex questions, summarize long emails, or even plan your entire trip while you're behind the wheel. Next up, Tinder is officially using artificial intelligence to save you from swipe fatigue. Match Group CEO Bernard Kim says they have a new plan to fix this burnout. They are testing a feature that looks at your camera roll and automatically picks your 5 best photos. The AI will also help you write your bio and even suggest icebreakers to help you start conversations. Next up, Goldman Sachs is officially teaming up with Anthropic to automate banking. CNBC CNBC reported that the bank is using Claude to build specialized AI agents. They will use these agents to write code, summarize massive financial documents, and manage data across the firm. It is a major plan to boost productivity and cut down on boring manual work. While other banks are still just testing the tech, Goldman is moving into real-world automation. This proves that the race for Agentic AI is officially taking over the financial world. Next up, Meta is officially testing a brand new standalone app called Vibes. According to a report from TechCrunch, this app is built purely for AI-generated videos. Vibes allows you to enter a simple text prompt and get high-quality video clips in seconds. The awesome thing is that Meta wants to own generative social media, and it is currently in a limited testing phase, but it proves Meta is going all in to fight off rivals like Kling and Sora. Next up, ElevenLabs just officially announced that they raised $500 million in a massive Series D funding round. This huge move puts their total valuation at a staggering $11 billion. Shows just how fast the demand for high-quality AI speech is growing globally. Next up, Perplexity CEO Aravind Srinivas officially announced the launch of an advanced version of deep research. Perplexity is claiming it is designed to handle incredibly complex, multi-step research tasks that would usually take a human hours to finish. Next up, the team at Alibaba dropped another absolute banger. It's called Qwen 3 Next. This is a brand new family of small hybrid models designed specifically for agentic coding. Usually, you need a massive, expensive model to handle complex software tasks, but Qwen is proving that small models can be just as smart. It uses a unique hybrid architecture to boost reasoning and tool use. This means the AI can actually act like a real agent. It can find bugs, use your terminal, and build full projects on its own. Next up, Mistral dropped a brand new speech-to-text model called Voxtral Transcribe 2. It supports high-quality transcription across 13 different languages. But here's the best part. They included an open weights real-time model. This basically allows you to do-live transcription on your own computer without needing a cloud server. Next up, AI is officially taking over the biggest stage in the world, Super Bowl 60. Big brands are making bold plays with AI in their multi-million-dollar commercials. Svedka Vodka just became the first major spirits brand to use generative AI for their entire Super Bowl spot. They created a wild, futuristic party scene that would have been almost impossible to film in real life. But the real shocker was Anthropic. The creators of Claude ran a massive ad focusing on AI safety and how Claude can be a helpful partner for humans. With 30-second spots costing around $7 million, these companies are betting big that AI is the future of marketing. Next up, this AI is a total lifesaver for researchers and students. It is called PaperBanana. This tool basically automates academic drawings for AI scientists. If you have ever tried to draw a complex diagram for a science paper, you know it is a huge pain. Usually, you need to spend hours in tools like PowerPoint or Photoshop, but PaperBanana changes that. You can give it a simple text prompt or even a rough sketch, and it turns it into a professional, high-quality figure instantly. It understands technical symbols and keeps the style consistent across your entire paper. This is a massive win for anyone who wants to focus on science instead of drawing. Adobe Research and Keist just dropped a total beast for video editing. It's called Memory V2V, and it basically gives AI models a long-term memory, so they never forget what happened in previous frames. Let's see an example. The first way is multi-turn synthesis. Here in input videos, there's only one camera angle, but look at the output videos. It generates the 3 camera angles of the same input videos, keeping the characters consistent and without any flickering. It is the same for this soldier in the sunflowers. The AI remembers the first frame and keeps the details locked in different angles. The second way is text-guided long strong video editing. You can take a video and say, change apple to orange, or add a beautiful hat to a woman. Usually, AI would make the hat flicker or change shape as the camera moves, but look how stable this is. You can change a blue jacket to red, and it stays perfectly consistent across the entire clip. Let's compare it to other open source models. You can clearly see the differences here. Next up, this open source AI model called FSVideo is a brand new model for high-speed video generation. Usually, generating AI video takes a lot of power and a very long time, but FSVideo uses a highly compressed latent space to make the whole process much faster. So let's look at some examples. Notice how smooth the motion is in these clips. Even though the data is compressed, the visual quality stays very high and crisp. Next up, this AI is super cool. It is called dummy forcing. This is a brand new open source model that tries to solve one of the biggest problems in AI video: length. Dummy forcing allows you to generate up to 30 seconds of non-stop video. So let's look at some examples. The scene remains consistent for the entire half minute, but the result and quality are not good so far. It makes mistakes as the video grows longer, but as the AI grows, it can become better. So that's all the highlights in AI this week. Let me know in the comments what you think of all of this. Which piece of news was your favorite, and which tool are you most looking forward to trying out? As always, I will be on the lookout for the top AI news and tools to share with you. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.